chiropractors, when I pop my neck, should I do this or do that, or two hands, one hand? What's the best method? How do I crack my neck without using you? Did that make you cringe? Yeah. Well, it's kind of the same thing when someone says, I have CapCut and an iPhone and I can make my own content. In a lot of ways, you are correct. Just like a lot of ways I'm correct that I'm correcting my popping or alignment or whatever it is. Correct me in the comments below, please. But if you crack my neck versus I crack my own neck, it's going to be a different result, even though we tried the same thing. So we want you to share your startup story if you would like to, and then crack away at some social media on our VIP guest experience. Keep on keeping on.